Make peace with yourself. The war outside exists because the war inside exists.
So basically, the more you push up, the more hard it will be to connect here. Because technically what you're doing is you're reaching out to cosmos. So think about it in spiritual terms, you're reaching towards consciousness, to spiritual life, to all of the amazing things on the subtle realms, all of the things that is usually got to do with heavens, okay? You're reaching up, which means you need to be 10 times more grounded to not lose your connection here. So the more you push up, the more you need to push down here. So this connection teaches you how to stay grounded the more you go higher up in the spiritual realms, which is vital if you are especially on a spiritual path. It helps you to connect to earth. Everything that you're experiencing out there has to be grounded. Otherwise you're disconnected and you're just floating up here somewhere in the sky. So the more you push up, the more you need to push down. So the more you push up, the more difficult it will be to push down. So better to push down and allow the arms to go as they naturally go up. But don't go further up than what you can sustain here. Because that's, again, is even on spiritual path, this happens with people, is they do so much spiritual work that they don't ground enough, that they lose themselves. They feel unstable. So you have to feel stable here and allow your body to, in time, go further, 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 until you'll feel, even if I'm doing this, you'll see, as I'm explaining it, even just in my imagination, if I'm going just like this, the more I push down, the more the arm eventually goes up, 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 and further back as well. It doesn't go just up, it goes back as well, like this. But it's sustained from here. It's not just letting the arm go back here. That's not the point. It's about keeping this connection grounded where you feel this internal down pull to pull up.